No matter where you are in the world at this moment, I wish you good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome to Besmile new product launch, BSM-500D, the perfect choice for digital dental milling. Simple, stable, and smart. I'm Ocean Tan from Technical Department of Besmile. Thank you for taking time to attend this event. Firstly, please let me give you a brief introduction of our company. We are a dedicated manufacturer for dental CAD/CAM materials, digital equipment, and implant systems with over 10 years experience and a comprehensive provider for digital dental solutions in the field of implantology and prosthetics. Headquartered in Chengdu, now we have a building area of 50,000 square meters with a capacity for zirconia 1.5 million pieces per year. Digital equipment 1,000 pieces per year, and implant series 2 million pieces per year. Our subsidiary, Besmile Dental America Incorporated, is located in California, USA, to provide local delivery and service. With the DNA of innovation, all of our products are independently developed by our R&D team and manufactured in-house. We are proud to be one of the few who can and do insist on this. From materials to equipment, we offer well-coordinated digital solutions that streamline workflows and make life easier for dental technicians and dentists. Till now, we've fostered enduring partnerships with over 1,000 partners from over 100 countries and regions. Technology creates a Besmile. With this mission in mind, we are committed to providing high-quality products that encourage bright and confident smiles for our customers and partners worldwide. How can we create Besmile for dental technicians and dentists? We are constantly putting ourselves into our customers' shoes during the R&D process. We believe that a stable and accurate milling machine plays a vital role. That's why we've spent over 10 years to develop and optimize our milling machine to give you the best you can dream of. So, what is your ideal mill? Strong, durable, accurate, or smart and worry-free? No matter what you want, you may get your answer here. Now, I'm excited to give you a brief introduction of our latest product, Besmile 500D. It's a 5-axis dental dry milling machine with the stability you want, the accuracy you dream of, the intelligence you've never seen before, and the ease of use you've never experienced. That's what I want to show you in this video. Besmile 500D is a multifunctional product suitable for both labs and clinics. Through structural and functional improvement, now it has many new features and becomes more stable, accurate, high ROI, and intelligent. As you can see, the whole shell is made of aerospace aluminum alloy material. The biggest highlight of this material must be its high strength and lightweight, which could ensure the stability and durability of the equipment. Compared with the traditional metal bar fixed structure, Besmile 500D specially adopts gantry-type integrated casting structure, which is more stable and reliable and could provide solid foundation for long-term milling. The stable environment is just one of the preconditions. Now let's think about what kind of precise result we want to get. Speaking of that, the cooperation of internal components is also very important. The AC servo motors with precision encoder could decrease position and power missing while milling. And the unique screw root guide rail could significantly reduce errors. Besides, compared with the traditional micrometer, the laser interferometer could reach 0.5 micrometer and offer 500D industrial precision. Besmile 500D has innovative one-third disc holder. Compared with round holder, it can lead about 50% material utilization increase per disc, which means it can produce 5 more teeth from one single blank. It brings not only economic efficiency, but also environmental protection, since it helps conserve limited natural resources. We have seen many important details and highlights of Besmile 500D. Now, let's talk about how it will assist you during the whole workflow. Our amazing automatic calibration function brings high accuracy with streamlined calibration process. In the past, we used to need to cut, measure, and calculate a cubic. But now, all we need to do is just one click on the button and it will automatically help you finish it. During milling, it can perform 90-degree vertical machining, which means you could easily get what you want without hand grinding. For example, it can create concave features on the labial and buccal side of teeth to depict fine surface details of restorations. If you want to mill others of the materials like resins, don't worry. It's equipped with a series of tools including bone mill burrs and end mill burrs, 4 of which are made for zirconia and 2 for resin. The automatic tool change function enables the equipment to deal with complex cases, especially implant restorations, enables diversity and flexibility. You could check the working states through status indicator lights, just at one glance. If there is any emergency occurs and you have to open the door immediately, it will automatically stop to ensure your safety. And the high-frequency pulse ion neutralizer could reduce static electricity during milling, making it easier to clean after processing. You could easily get what you need with Besmile 500D. It can mill sorts of materials like zirconia, PMMA, PEEK, wax, and composite materials, and is suitable for wide dental applications for the ability to deal with many restorations, from single crowns to full arch bridges. Besmile 500D is an advanced dental machine and an intelligent milling assistant. Simple, stable, and smart. We believe that it will bring a new working experience and sense of achievement to dental technicians and dentists. If you have any question, please turn to the distributor in your countries and regions. Or you could just directly contact our sales group through the QR code below. We are happy to share more information with you and plan for the trial for Besmile 500D in the future. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.